Hi there, students. Namby Pamby. Another of these rhyming collocations, these rhyming phrases. Okay, namby pamby means weak, ineffectual, spineless, unrealistic. We normally use namby pamby to talk about a person or the implementation of an action. So a person who is namby-pamby, they try weak and ineffectual measures to get things done. Yeah. Very often in life you need to be strong about things, to get angry and serious about things. Yeah, and say directly, no, I don't want it. Well, maybe the British are very namby-pamby when they speak, but maybe that's the British way. Okay, so for example, you could call the government namby-pamby. This namby-pamby government, it only implements weak policies, things that don't work. They don't achieve the objective. Yeah. So the opposite of namby-pamby is harsh and strict. So you could go to a namby-pamby school where if you don't go to class, nothing happens. If you don't do your homework, it's okay. It's all right. Try harder next time. Or you could go to a very strict disciplinary school where they beat you if you don't do your homework. Okay, so namby-pamby are methods that are weak, yeah, that are ineffectual, that don't actually make the thing that you want to happen. Yeah. For example, the military. The military are in no way namby-pamby. Yeah, if you're a soldier, they're not going to ask you politely to do something. They're going to order you to do it. Yeah. So, for example, I wonder if you could be quite so kind as to do this. Is very namby-pamby compared to do it now. Okay, they're very different. Yeah, you could have if the punishment for a crime is almost like a bonus, then that would be namby-pamby, the opposite of a severe punishment. Yeah. I think in this life you need to take direct action to get things done. You shouldn't be namby-pamby. Okay, the origin of this phrase is actually quite interesting. Namby-pamby is the name of a poem written by, I think, Henry Carey in 1725. Okay, and he called the poem Namby-pamby. And I think this is about weak and ineffectual people. Yeah, people who don't stand up for their rights. They don't stand up for themselves. If you take a namby-pamby attitude in this life, you normally don't get what you want. You have to be forceful and then you get it. So, I don't know, for example, the parking restrictions around here are very namby-pamby. If you park in the wrong place, you might get a fine of €1. Namby-pamby. As opposed to where they tow your car away and you need to pay various hundreds of pounds to get your car back. So namby-pamby, weak, spineless, ineffectual behaviour, to describe a person or an action or a policy, a measure. Okay? So, what about formality? I would say that namby-pamby is neutral formality. You could definitely use it in an informal conversation. I think if you were writing something literary, it would sound really good. I think for a really formal document, you might want to use the word weak or ineffectual or something like that. Although I think you could probably just about use namby-pamby. Also, I forgot to say at the beginning, namby-pamby, this is an adjective, so you need to use it to describe nouns. So there we go, namby-pamby, weak and ineffectual. Action taken that is not going to make anything change. It's not going to achieve the desired result. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Namby Pamby.